Did you know you can now use the Denodo connector in Power BI with Microsoft Entra ID single sign-on without relying on traditional Active Directory infrastructure? Here's what you need to know. What was the challenge before? Previously, Denodo SSO relied on Kerberos Constrained Delegation, KCD, which required a synchronized on-premises Active Directory environment. This added infrastructure complexity and made cloud-first deployments more difficult to manage. How does Entra ID SSO work? Power BI can now pass a user's Entra ID identity through the gateway directly to Denodo when using Direct Query. Denodo then validates the user and applies its own security policies, including row-level and column-level security. When should you use it? Entra ID SSO is ideal when you want data access policies enforced against the actual report user, rather than a shared account. It also helps meet audit and compliance requirements while reducing credential management overhead. Getting started. To use the feature, ensure your Denodo environment supports Entra ID token validation and that your data gateway is up to date. Then, enable the required SSO settings in Power BI and bind your Direct Query semantic model to the Denodo connection. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.